शक्ति का प्रतीक भीम और इस फॉर्मेशन की अगुवाई भारी और शक्तिशाली ट्रांसपोर्ट विमान C-17 कर रहा है। वायुसेना के C-17 विमान की कमान ग्रुप कैप्टन समीप निझावन के पास है और इसके साथ 2 सुखोई 30 विमान स्क्वाड्रन लीडर अमित कुमार यादव और विंग कमांडर अक्षय अरुण महाले की कमान में कुछ ही देर में यहां कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से गुजरेंगे।
This is the beam formation, which our cameras are now going to catch for you. So as we shared earlier, it's a cloudy sky, and the pre-recorded visuals are definitely very clear, giving you clarity. But today, though we all did pray to the sun gods, but yes, we got some, but we didn't get some. Now we have the Amrit formation, and these are views that you can see of that. All Jaguars. Formation derives its name from Amrit Kal, India's vision for 2047. And the Arrowhead formation will be flown by 6 Jaguar aircraft lled by Group Captain Nagendra Abhishek along with his wingmen, Wing Commander Manorat Sabarwal, Wing Commander Vishwanathan Naga, Wing Commander Jay Krishnan, Squadron Leader Akash Karpe and Wing Commander Chakrapani Kajla, all from the 14th and 5 squadrons popularly known as the Bulls and the Tuskers respectively.
लगभग 750 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार और ऊंचाई 300 मीटर की आकाश में ओझल हो गए 6 जैगुआर विमान ग्रुप कैप्टन नागेंद्र अभिषेक की कमान में। अगली फॉर्मेशन वज्रांग, भारतीय वायुसेना के 6 राफेल लड़ाकू विमान मारुत फॉर्मेशन में। ये दृश्य कॉकपिट से। फॉर्मेशन की कमान संभाली है ग्रुप कैप्टन अभिषेक त्रिपाठी ने, उनके साथ विंग कमांडर चैतन्य सूर्यवंशी, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर यश सावलकर, विंग कमांडर अमित वर्मा, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर सुशील शिंदे और स्क्वाड्रन लीडर विजय चांदगुड़े।
All Rafale aircrafts, the Vajrang formation, meaning diamond-bodied, showcasing 6 Rafale fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force, led by Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi with his wingmen, Wing Commander Chaitanya Suryavanshi, Squadron Leader Yash Savalkar, Wing Commander Amit Verma, Squadron Leader Sushil Sinde, and Squadron Leader Vijay Chandgade, all from 101 Squadron, known as the Falcons.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन, कर्तव्य पथ के सामने जो नहर है उसके ऊपर से कुछ ही देर में 3 सुखोई 30 MKI लड़ाकू जहाज त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में गुजरेंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार, बुराई का नाश करने के लिए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन की अगुवाई कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन सचिन अरोड़ा और उनके साथ ग्रुप कैप्टन ओमार ब्राउन और विंग कमांडर नवजोत सिंह।
As these Su-30s go past the saluting base, flying at these heights and speeds, the pilots are rigorously trained to handle extreme physical and mental pressure, and the focus and expertise with which they fly, maneuver, change direction and speeds at these heights requires unparalleled courage, determination and passion for flying. Visuals now of the Vijay formation to mark the conclusion of the Grand Republic Day celebration. We will soon see an Indian Air Force Rafale displaying the Vijay maneuver. We will see the Rafale flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, all set to touch the sky with glory as it executes the victory roll maneuver over Kartavya Path, also called Vertical Charlie. It's a very spectacular maneuver in the Vertical Charlie, an acrobatic maneuver in which the aircraft pulls up vertically and carries out rolls at that altitude before stabilizing at a higher altitude. aircraft was flown by Group Captain Arun Kumar and co-piloted by Squadron Leader Shivangi Singh, both from 17th Squadron known as the Golden Arrows. So all heads turning skywards and the gaze searching for that glimmer of silver. We are once again filled with wonder and respect for the brilliance of this display by the Indian Air Force.
शानदार फ्लाई पास्ट हमारे वायु वीरों ने एक रोमांच की नई कथा, एक नई ऊंचाई यहां दर्शा दी। बहुत ही उत्साहित जनसमूह इस 75वें गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पर उत्साह और रोमांच, बहुत ही शानदार समापन, शानदार फ्लाई पास्ट वायुसेना का।
Absolutely. So, though the parade here concludes at Kartavya Path today, the celebrations do not end. As we saw those happy faces, excited young people, today with the understanding that India has come a long way since it became an independent republic, with a lot of hard work, dedication and wise leadership from many quarters, we know that we still have a long way to go to ensure that the constitution we adopted and whose adoption we celebrate today takes on true meaning for every Indian. But yes, we have a lot to celebrate too. A young population positioned to accelerate economic growth, a vibrant democracy where the constitution guides and shows us the way, and an inherent belief in unity that will always bridge the differences and diversity. The President's bodyguard have arrived here to escort the Supreme Commander along with the chief guest for today's parade back to Rashtrapati Bhavan.
As we reach the culmination of the 75th Republic Day Parade, all the officials standing in line. We now see the President's bodyguard driving the presidential carriage moving forward into position. The 75th Republic Day Parade is not just a spectacle. It is a reflection of India's journey over the past 7 decades and a glimpse into its future aspirations. Cries of Bharat Mata Ki Jai resounding in the atmosphere as the presidential carriage moves forward. And the President, escorted by the Prime Minister and other guests who were seated in the special enclosure, coming down the steps to acknowledge the presence of the 3 chiefs, the Chief of Defence Staff, the Defence Minister, and other dignitaries who are present here. Everyone waiting to see this spectacular display of military power, presidential pomp and pageantry.
इस बार का गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह कई मायनों में खास है। इस बार विशेष रूप से आमंत्रित लगभग 13,000 अतिथियों को यहाँ बुलाया गया। उनके लिए विशेष दीर्घाओं में स्थान निश्चित किया गया और इस समय माननीय राष्ट्रपति, आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति, प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं सलामी मंच से। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और अन्य गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति एक भव्य और शानदार समारोह जिसमें लगभग 40 वर्षों बाद बहुत लोगों ने बग्घी को पहली बार देखा। एक पीढ़ी बदल गई इस दौरान जब पिछली बार कर्तव्य पथ पर ये बग्घी आई थी और आज ये भव्य समारोह हमारा 75वां गणतंत्र दिवस।
The President of India, the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, ready to depart from the venue, along with the chief guest for today's parade, the President of France. And today, as President Draupadi Murmu leaves the saluting base, she carries with her the warmth of another parade, showcasing India in all its myriad colors, forms and strengths. An aspiring nation on the move, a country coming into its own, learning and growing, and yet at times leading with knowing, capable, paradoxical, dependable and vocal. Not very describable, but yes, very relatable. In fact, in India, our similarities make us one and our differences make us strong. And as we conclude our 75th Republic Day celebrations here on Kartavya Path, the thousands who came to see the parade go back home, we once again wish with all our warmth Republic Day greetings. It's a day of celebration. The President's bodyguard now getting the command to position themselves to the right and the left of the buggy and escort the dignitaries towards Rashtrapati Bhavan. Warm smiles, warm feelings, and a warm sense of satisfaction. So all those who got out early in the morning seem very content. Yes, it was worth it. Yes, it was worth coming out here to see India, a resplendent vision, a slice of our country.
देश की सेनाओं की सर्वोच्च कमांडर भारत की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू, इस वर्ष गणतंत्र दिवस के हमारे खास मेहमान फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति श्री इमैनुअल मैक्रों के साथ कर्तव्य पथ से रायसीना पहाड़ी की ओर राष्ट्रपति भवन की ओर समारोह पूर्वक प्रस्थान कर रही हैं, जिन्हें एस्कॉर्ट कर रहे हैं प्रेसिडेंट बॉडीगार्ड के जोशीले जवान, रेजिमेंट के कमांडेंट कर्नल अमित बेरवाल अपने घोड़े ग्लोरियस पर, राष्ट्रपति महोदय के दाहिनी ओर और बाईं ओर अपने घोड़े पर कर्नल रमाकांत, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल रमाकांत यादव, राष्ट्रपति जी की बग्घी की अगुवाई अपने घोड़े अर्जुन पर रिसालदार सुंदर सिंह तंवर कर रहे थे। देश के उपराष्ट्रपति श्री जगदीप धनखड़, उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती सुदेश धनखड़, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी, रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह, राष्ट्रपति महोदया के प्रस्थान के बाद एक के बाद एक गण्यमान्य अतिथि समारोह स्थल से प्रस्थान करेंगे। उपस्थित जनसमूह उत्कंठा से अपने अपने स्थानों पर मौजूद हैं, जिन्होंने देश की समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत और वैभव का अलौकिक प्रदर्शन देखा, जिन्होंने सामरिक शक्ति के
प्रदर्शन देखे। माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय श्री जगदीप धनखड़ प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं कर्तव्य पथ स्थित सलामी मंच से।
The Vice President, Sri Jagdeep Dhankar and his wife, Dr. Sudesh Dhankar, taking leave from the saluting base. As each of the dignitaries will slowly move from this venue, the Honorable Prime Minister making his usual stride across to greet the spectators who are assembled here, and the guests are really excited to be able to acknowledge him and greet him and see him at close quarters. This festival of people's power on display here a parade that celebrates the memory of the momentous struggle that the founders of the Republic undertook for freedom from imperialism and building a modern democratic nation. India, the mother of democracy, and Viksit Bharat. The Prime Minister acknowledging the presence of the special invitees, a lot of women who are here, specially invited to participate in the Republic Day Parade from distant corners of the country. You can see a section of the Northeast represented there.
ये समारोह का वो हिस्सा है जिसका यहाँ आने वाले हर व्यक्ति को इंतजार रहता है, प्रतीक्षा रहती है जब प्रधानमंत्री दर्शक दीर्घाओं के निकट जाते हैं और उनका अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हैं। बहुत ही रोमांच से भरे हुए क्षण होते हैं जब वो प्रधानमंत्री को अपने इतने निकट पाते हैं। ये वो दीर्घाएं हैं जहां पर विशेष रूप से बुलाए गए अतिथि, अलग अलग योजनाओं के लाभार्थी और आनंद सूत्र के बुनकर और कारीगर, इसके साथ साथ स्वयं सेवा समूह के लोग, गांव के अलग अलग प्रतिनिधि, ये सभी यहां पर मौजूद और इनकी दीर्घाओं के सामने से प्रधानमंत्री गुजरते हुए अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए।
Indeed, the Prime Minister has always broken the barriers of security, which is actually a matter of concern for the security persons who are on duty here. But the Prime Minister has to acknowledge and celebrate the contributions of all the people who are assembled here, those who are watching, those who join him for this spectacle.
The form of government chosen by the leaders of a nation is a critical determinant of the type of life its citizens and future generations will live. And when India chose to become a democracy, it set for itself a daunting and difficult path. Because to uphold democratic principles in a country that was yet to experience unity as a separate entity, and that too in a nation that was as diverse as one could be, which we saw today, was surely no easy task. And today, we can see right in front of us as Prime Minister Narendra Modi walks along the enclosures that as the largest democracy in the world, India has kept its democracy vibrant and strong.